Did you know that having an offshore company in Panama is much more than just opening a corporation? Today I'll explain how to operate it correctly under 3 key rules: CRS, Fatca, economic substance, and Panama's territorial taxation system. If you don't understand these, you risk penalties and losing the benefits of your structure. The CRS, or Common Reporting Standard, is an OECD system that requires banks in Panama to report account holders to the tax authorities of their country of residence. Similarly, Fatca applies to US citizens and residents. Any offshore company with American shareholders must comply with due diligence and specific reporting to the IRS. In both cases, the key is transparency and documentation, proper accounting, a declared ultimate beneficial owner, and never using offshore structures to hide assets. The substance rule distinguishes between active and passive companies. Active companies have offices, employees, contracts, real expenses, and generate real economic value. They comply with substance requirements because they demonstrate actual activity. Passive companies only hold assets or investments with no physical presence or employees. These must be declared as such and are subject to higher scrutiny. Gone the days of paper companies. If your entity is active, you must prove it with evidence. If it is passive, you must declare it properly. One key element is Panama's territorial tax system. Even if you keep accounting records and file tax returns in Panama, you only pay taxes on income generated within Panama. Foreign source income is not taxed locally. That said, there is always a minimum level of tax obligations to fulfill this balance. Maintaining accounting, complying with CRS and Fatca, and applying Panama's territorial tax system is the correct way to operate an offshore company. In summary, an offshore company in Panama remains a powerful tool as long as it is managed with transparency, substance, and responsible taxation. At JSF and Asociados, we are your trusted allies in Panama to structure and manage your company the right way. Click the link and schedule your consultation today. Comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe.